He looks a little bit in a corrective mode to start with. Then we go back and look at the daily chart. We can see that it has made a very, very big green candle. So today's candle could be either a medium-sized green candle or a sideways candle or inside candle or a spinning top. So the latter two even having the higher priority. So let's understand how we can do this intraday, or what I'm doing it intraday. It's a 5-minute chart. So right now, key levels on the upside are 52,726 and 52,608. So BankNifty opened exactly at our resistance level, and then it has come down and taken support at the critical level of 52,381. So these two are the pivotal levels, if I may say so. So this particular block, its high and low, 52,650 and 52,381 will determine the next course of action. Upside, after this it can go to 52,843. On the downside, which I think we'll try and test today, is 52,153 on the downside. So this is probably my preferred trade to get this much. If it goes up, my risk reward becomes problematic. So I would rather prefer that market goes here and then spends time till at least 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock before it goes up. Then I will have a good stop loss. But now if it just goes up, I don't have a trade. But if it comes down from here, I have a trade, the good stop loss, and I can expect 52,153. So this is my approach for the day. Please don't copy it. Do your own analysis, and good luck for the day. Bye-bye.